Thanks for watching. My name's Doug. This is Doug's iPro Classics. So this morning I've set aside to give the Mk1 Escort Mexico a really good clean. So since I've bought the car, apart from driving it, enjoying it, using it, seeing other people's cars, going to car meets and stuff, I've not actually done anything to it apart from Lanoguard it underneath and use some Lanoguard motor electric spray to help with starting. So that was ever so easy to use that stuff, and I don't know if it helped with starting or not, but I feel better it's been done. Anyway, I've not really cleaned the car much, so it's getting to the stage now where it's such a beautiful day and I definitely don't want to be putting the car away wet. I thought I could clean it and then put it in a garage, and peace of mind, there's not water being trapped everywhere, because what I have discovered since having this car, it is full of water traps literally everywhere. Right, so I've got some ceramic car wash, again by Lanoguard. I kind of like their products, if I'm honest. This protects shines and keeps water beading wash after wash apparently. So I think it's one of those products where you use it and it just kind of builds up a protective layer on the car. So I'm going to do that on the outside. The car doesn't look dirty, I'll show you the car, but it is getting to that stage. Also under the bonnet it doesn't look too bad, but I've not done anything to it apart from that moto spray. When I go to car meets and stuff, car shows, meets, I just park the car and walk away from it. I don't leave the bonnet up and all that sort of stuff. So it's just purely for my peace of mind. And also, I feel that when you clean the car, you really get to know it. So I enjoy it. I enjoy cleaning my own cars, not so much everyone else, like other family members' cars, but mine I really enjoy. I'll show you under the bonnet just so you can see what I'm dealing with. So this was exactly as I bought the car under the bonnet. So it's not dirty. Having said that, I've been looking forward to it. I've been really looking forward to cleaning it, and again getting to know the car more. It's got a leak, which I have got the car booked in to get that sorted out at Classic and Retro in Halstead. So I'll update you on that and let you know what that was all about and what the solution was to that. I'm hoping that's going to be straightforward, but more under here, if I'm honest. This is just going to be more of a wipe down. I'm not going to completely drench it, but I'll just like it a little bit cleaner than it is. Right, so I'm going to clean the outside and then I'm going to clean under the bonnet to give that a wipe down, and then inside it's pretty standard as far as I know, apart from it's got a radio put in here, which doesn't work, but I'm really pleased about that, because what I intend to do is get a vintage look radio but with like Bluetooth internals, just so it's better for long journeys, so I can connect it to my phone, that sort of stuff. So I'm going to do that at some point. I'll do a video about that. I'm also, like I said previously, I'm going to get some USBs for longer journeys and charging solutions, because I've only got the one cigarette lighter, which isn't going to be enough for myself and my better half when we go out, hopefully for road trips, which is the dream. Let's show you around here. So inside, it's not a bad place to be. It's quite nice and comfy, to be fair. I've got my box of essentials that I think we all have, oil and emergency water. That lives behind there. So I'll do a walk around of the car just so you can see it before and after. So this morning I did give it a little rinse off, only with water, just to get any sort of grit and stuff off. Just ready to wash it, because I knew I was going to wash it. So it doesn't look too bad, but close up it 100% needs a wash. The only other thing which I should probably point out, which you'll see, it's got non-standard wheels on it. I think it suits the car really well. The wheels were on it when I bought the car. They seem alright. I quite like them. Having said that, I really fancy a set of RS wheels for the car, so I want to keep the car standard. But I got with the car an RS steering wheel. Currently it's got like the original Springer Flex steering wheel on it, which is really nice, really good. But I'm thinking, if I've got the RS steering wheel and I'd really like RS wheels, I think I could probably get away with getting a set of wheels and putting the RS steering wheel on that I have got. That's the idea. I'm going to the AVO meet in a couple of months' time, so I'm hoping there might be a set of wheels there that I could have a look at and maybe come back with. That'd be really good. Right, okay, so I've got everything ready. I'm going to give the car a wash. I'll show you that and let you think, give you a breakdown of what I think the Lanoguard stuff is like regarding that, but I suppose time will tell really, because it's meant to be a layer, but I'm going to try that. So I've already got it prepared. So I've got this, well, I think really good bucket. In the bottom of it, it's got a like a grit guard. So as I'm cleaning it, I can kind of go in and out of the same bucket. I know like some people use 2-bucket method, which is brilliant. But I've got this grit guard, so I'm hoping that'll catch any grit down there. So it was 2 capfuls of that stuff. I'm going to wet the car first. The car needs to be wet. So I'm going to hose it down. I've got a mitt to do that, and then apparently just towel it off. So I'm going to give that a go. Okay, I'll see you in a sec. Thank you. Right, so I realise all I've done is wash my car, but I really enjoy doing that. It's quite sad really, but I just really like it. What I did find, which is probably my bad up to this point, I have used them before, but I'm quite old school with washing cars and stuff, so normally I just use a sponge and stuff. But I use this little mitt thing. Look, I know I'm probably the last person in the world to use a mitt properly to wash their car with. The ones I've had before have just been from Halfords, very generic. This seems to be like a really good one. So if you don't use a mitt to wash your car, I know everyone does, and I apologise saying it, but if you don't do it, they are the way forward. That is, yeah, it did a great job. So for you, the car's going to look exactly the same, I'm sure, but I'll walk around it again just so you can have a look. You're not going to see any difference, I don't suspect, because it looked clean anyway, but close up it absolutely 100% wasn't clean. But I'll just walk around it so you can see what it's like now. I'm going to do a separate video actually, as I'm thinking about it, about the bumpers. That might be one I'm going to do in the winter, because they're chrome and they're not massively pitted, but they're kind of definitely on the turn. So I'm going to try different things about how to do that. So that's what the outside looks like now. It does feel really nice and smooth, and so I think that did a good job, that ceramic stuff, but I won't really find out until I use it a few times, I suppose. So now I'm going to have a go at the engine, just so you can see it again. This is what we're starting with. Now I'm not going to go completely mad on it. I'm just basically going to give it a bit of a soapy wash down, and just see what we can do. I don't want it to be immaculate, so it's not a display engine, it's just a working engine that drives the car. But just for me, just so I can find out about it, I'm gonna sadly again, I'm really looking forward to doing that, and I have been for ages, and I've been waiting for a good day to do it. So okay, I'm gonna clean the engine and I will show you, well, I'll video it on time lapse as I'm doing it. I might shorten that for the video, so you don't necessarily want to see that, I don't suppose, but I'll show you probably, I don't know, what's it going to take, an hour or something, half hour, an hour. I'm not going to go mad. I'll show you what it looks like after that. Good stuff. I'll show you the result in a minute. Thank you. Sad but true, I really enjoyed that. So look, as you can probably see, all I did was wipe it down with a microfiber cloth with detergent. I'll show you how it looks now. It's nothing groundbreaking. The main reason for me doing it was really just so I could get to know the car, and just see what was going on, because you get to notice stuff more when you wash it yourself. So look, for me, I'm kind of at the stage now where I wanted it. As I say, the only thing which I was aware of, and I've not touched it, is I have this leak here, which is going to be sorted. but I've just left that because I'd rather take it to a professional to do that. It's obviously the gasket that goes in here, but I don't really want to be touching that because I don't want to break anything. So I'm going to get that done. I am going to vacuum out the car now inside, literally just get a vacuum cleaner out, do that, and that is me done. Maybe go for a drive later. So yeah, there's nothing groundbreaking there, but I just thought I'd video the before and after of. But there is a big difference, but you probably can't see it. So look, thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it for that. Share the channel with anyone that you think might be vaguely interested. As soon as I can, I'll get out and do some more videos of local car shows. Hopefully, get out and about with some people if they're kind enough to let me have a little ride out in their car. If you see me and if I can come out in your car, please let me know. I would love it, no matter what car it is. That'd be the most amazing thing. I will see you soon. Take care. Keep safe and happy motoring. Thank you.